Hello student, welcome back to the third computer online class. Have you all followed the online class? I hope everyone fine. Utilize your time, spend few minutes to learn the computer. If you learn now, after reopen the school, it could be so easy for you. Otherwise, you will be struggle a lot. Up to last class, I have completed the first lesson full portion. Have you understand the first lesson? Please watch the last two videos, learn it. I send the one word answer and 2 mark answer in the PDF format to your WhatsApp group. I hope everyone see that. Please mark the one word answer in the book and write the 2 mark answer in your computer booklet. Then learn the question answer. Today I am going to start the new lesson. Let's get into the lesson. The second lesson topic is Formatting Data in Excel 2016. What is mean by formatting data? It is nothing. You know line formation. What is that? Arranging the line in order. Same thing. Here also arranging the data in order, that is called the formatting data. The presentation of data and its appearance on a printed page is called formatting. For example, I can say, now you are going to the library. If the books are not arranging proper, will you have the mind to take the book? No, you won't take the book. Am I right? Same thing. Using MS Excel, whatever we are doing, first we have to arrange it in proper. Then only it could be nice to see or it could be worth. So, make the document to be perfect, we are using the formatting data. See, this is the home page of the MS Excel. While you are opening in MS Excel, this is the first home page of MS Excel. The steps to open MS Excel. Have you know to open MS Excel? Some of them know. It is easy. The first step, we have to click the start button. You know where it is. You know the left side, the corner, it will be there. Click the start button. After that, click MS Office. More versions are there. MS Office 2010, 13, 16, 19. More versions are available. If you in your syllabus 2016 version is there, those who have 2016 version in your laptop or computer, please try to open and check the features. Okay. After clicking the MS Office, then click the Microsoft Excel 2016. Okay. Let's listen the demo of how to open MS Excel 2016. Here we are going to see how to open MS Excel. Listen, this is your desktop. In that, start button is there. Click start. Then I am searching MS Office. I have 2013 version in my lab. Click MS Office. There Excel is there. Press the MS Excel 2013. Here in blank worksheet is there. Press it. This is your MS Excel home page. This is the main page of MS Excel. If we want to do some formatting, here are some options is there. Listen, in this chapter what are the option is given. First one, font formatting. Second, alignment and orientation of data. Third, heading, number formatting. Finally, cell style. In this MS Excel sheet, not only 4 options, there more than 4 groups are available. but this lesson only 4 option is given. Let's see where the option is available. You can see in this page, at the top of the page, the groups are available. First clipboard, second font group. This is the main group of formatting. Next one is alignment group. Next number group. Next one style group, cell group. Finally editing group. These much groups are available in MS Excel. While doing some arrangement using this group, we can arrange the data. Let's listen about a font group. While seeing the picture itself, clearly we can see some inside the font group what are the options are there. The further slide we can see about this font group briefly. Now I am firstly saying what are the options are available inside the font group. Font style, then font size, we can fill the color, you can change the underline, italic, bold and border button. After that, finally we can change the background color also, we can fill the color. These much options are available. Let's see some brief about this font group. This is about font formatting. Now we are going to see what are the font style options are available. See, a font is the set of letters of the alphabet and number written in a particular style, which means using this alphabet letter there are different variety, different style we can make it using this font style option. See how to do it. Go to the gallery box, click it. Under that there is more options are available. You can see it, right? These are the fonts. We can in upcoming slide we can see the demo of what are the styles are available in this box. We can see it, but mostly we can use Times New Roman. These are the font style. Let's see some example how to do the font style. While doing the font style, first you have to select the data. After select it only we can change it. After select it, go to the font style option, click it. I said the previous slide itself, you see there is more font style option is available. See, after select it I am doing the font style option. While what are the things I am clicking, we can see the difference of this data. You can see the selected data and without selected data. Can you able to see the difference? One, if you select means only we can change it. Without select we can't do any changes. Mostly the data we are using the Times New Roman, that option only we are using. Let's see some different options font style in this MS Excel sheet. Have you all listening? Yes, there is more. The plenty of styles is available. I'm just scrolling. You can see the changes. Am I right? Yes. If you have the laptop or if you have computer, you can open MS Excel 2016 and you can check it. Once you type it, after that you can change the font style. Mostly for data we are giving this one, Times New Roman, this option style only we are giving. That's all about the font style. Next, listen about the font size, how to change the font size. For that also, first we have to select the data. I'm selected. After that, go to the font style, font size box. Inside that you can select it, right? Can you see the difference? While I'm mostly here we are giving 11. Will also enough. That's all about the font size. Listen about the font color. You can give more color. Many colors are available. For that also, first you have to select it. Which data you have to color. That data you have to select it and go to the font color box and select the color. Can you see the difference? Only this box only is selected, so that box color only will change. Which color you want, you select the color. More color also available. Here are which color you want, light color, dark color, mild color, which color you need, select it and click OK. It will be changed into that color. Next we can see about this bold, italic and underline. Now we are seeing inside the font group what are the options are there. What are the options we learn? Font style, font size, color. This much we learn. Now we are going to learn how to change the bold, italic and underline. For that also, first you have to select the data for everything. If you want to change it, if you want to formatting, first you have to select it and click the bold button. It change it into bold. Can you see the difference? You can able to see. Say, okay, I will do one more thing. One more data I am selecting and I am clicking the bold button. Now it changed it into bold. Can you see the difference? You can give it all the headings. You can select it and give the bold button. Next, I am giving italic. Italic means it will change, slight change. Then underline, double underline, single underline option is there. Which one you want and give it, underline or double underline. This is your wish. That's all about the bold, italic and underline. Next we can see about how to change the background color. Everything inside the font group. Okay. For that also, first you have to select the data. After select it, go to the fill color option bar. In any other font color, fill color, select it. Background you can change it. Here also more color option is there. What are the things you want? You can select it and click the color option and you can change the background color. That's all about the background color. Okay student, now we are going to see how to change the border inside the MS Excel sheet. Okay, before that you have to select the data. Which data we are going to change it, select it. Now we are going to change the border, which means the outline are inside the line. Okay, here go to the border box. Can you able to see where it is? Click this arrow. Here down more options are available. Change it. You can change the bottom border, top border, left border, right border. Okay, this is one set I am doing. From one set I am doing any one. Okay, I am doing the right border. Okay, I am clicking the right border. You can able to see the difference. See, comparing this line and this line, the right border will be very dark. Okay, this is one set. Then select it, select the border, and from the second group here no border. If you no need any border, click the no border option, all border, outside border, thick box border. I am selecting this one, thick box border. Can you able to see the difference? Comparing other box, it could be thick. It shows thickly, right? Yeah. Okay, then once again you select it. If If you want to go some other option, press this border button here. Next, then the third group, bottom double border, thick bottom border, top and bottom border, top and thick bottom border, top and double bottom border. More options are there. I am clicking this option, top and double bottom border. If I click, you can see the double bottom border in the Excel sheet. Okay, not only this much, then also more options there. Select it, click down. If you want to draw any border, you can click this draw border option. You can draw it. I'm doing some. You can make it some other box. Here also you can make the border. Okay, you can draw it and you can make it. If you double click, it will go. If you want to do some other thing, again you can select it and go to the border box. Here draw border grid, erase border, line color, more options are there. If you want to erase the border, press the erase button and you have to select it. How much you have to erase it, just you select it like this. Select and you can erase it. It will be erased. Can you see the difference? If you want to erase this much, you can like that, you can do, it will go. If you double click, it will change. Again, if you want to do any other things, again you can select it with the border button. Line color, if you want to change the line color, you can change it. I am selecting this color. Listen, select this color and you can draw and change it. Listen, can you able to see the difference? Here you can change the color of the line. Then line style. If you want to change the style of the line, here all the line is same, right? Here more style of line is given. Which one you like, you can press it and you can do it. I am selecting this one and I am drawing the table. See, change. Can you able to see? You can change the border line also. Then line style, more borders also available. Press the more border option. Here different border is given. Which one you want, you give it. Okay, I am selecting this one and click OK button. Now can you able to see it change like this? Okay, so more options are available. Which one you want, which one is nice to see, you can select it, you can do it. That's all about the border. Have you understand? Those who have the lab, please try to do it if you get the free time. Here no need to learn anything, am I right? Okay, you can open it and you can do it and check it. Okay. Okay student, from this lesson we have learned up to font group. Then also 3 more group is there. We will see that is in upcoming class. Have you understand what is about font group? Those who have LabPAR computer, please install Microsoft 2016 software and try to check what are the options available, what are the changes we can do it in MS Excel. Once again, I remind you, first lesson notes I already sent into your WhatsApp group. Write the question answer in the booklet and learn the question answer. Thank you student. We will meet at other end of new class. Until bye and take care.